Pause the video, please, and try to solve this by yourself. So let's take a look here. So Maria has a car, and the radius of each tire, basically speaking, of each wheel is 0.3 meters. What is the approximate speed of Maria's car to the nearest kilometer per hour when the instrument is showing 779 revolutions per minute? How are we supposed to solve this? Hey, let's take a look. When the wheel makes one revolution, the car travels the distance, the wheel, of course the car also, but the wheel travels the distance of the circumference, okay? So how much distance is the car going to travel per 1 minute if it makes 779 revolutions? Of course, this is going to be easy because we know 779 revolutions is proportional in distance, or let's say it's proportional like this in distance, to 779 times the circumference, 2 pi r. So when you want to find the distance that the car makes in 1 minute, all right, how much distance in 1 minute? It's going to be 779 revolutions times the distance of one revolution, which is just 2 pi r. So 779 multiplied by 2 times pi times 0.3. And to be precise, we also need to use Desmos, of course. So let's try to do it right here. Okay. 779 times 2 times pi times 0.3. Okay. That gives me 1468.4 meters. 1400 again 68.4. So this is the distance that the car as well as the wheel travels in 1 minute, because the wheel makes 779 revolutions, and one revolution makes the car travel the distance of one circumference. So basically we multiplied everything by circumference, we got the distance in 1 minute. Now let me ask you, what's the question requiring? It requires us to find the speed of Maria's car to the nearest kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So how much will the car travel per hour? We already know it travels this many meters per minute. Let's convert meters into kilometers. We will get a little bit closer to the answer. 1468.4 meters is 1.4684 kilometers. I just divided everything by 1,000 because they said 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So if you divide everything, you will get 1.4684 kilometers. That's how per minute, right? Per minute. 1.4684 kilometers per minute. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60, right? So I can write here a conversion rate. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So what will happen is minutes will cancel and I will get 1.4684 times 60 kilometers per hour. Let's do that. 1.4684 times 60 gives me 88.104. So 88 kilometers per hour. Okay, approximately this should be our answer. I hope it was understandable, and I hope you would have been able to do this on the exam. So we do not need to know physics in order to solve this question. We just need to follow the units. For example, we need to be able to convert from kilometers to meters or vice versa. And the conversion rate is given here. 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So if we have 1,468 meters, that gives me 1.468 kilometers. Also, we need to recognize some things on the exam. For example, if they said per minute, but we need per hour, then we multiply everything by 60 because 1 hour has 60 minutes. All right, and it will make sense. To get better at SAT Mathematics or SAT's verbal section, register to my SAT video course where I explain literally every single topic in videos, and you will have an opportunity to practice with over 400 digital SAT practice problems. Just visit the link in the description and you will come to this page where you will learn everything that my SAT course offers. And if you want to buy the course and watch my videos where I explain everything, then you can press this button and contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.